Here at Chemical Guys, we take pride in our shine and in our rides. Now, unfortunately for our work van here, it's not looking too hot. It's been overworked, it's outside all day, it takes a beating from the sun, and this dull trim has got to go. As you can see, this trim is dull, it's neglected, it's faded, it's drier than my elbows, it's drier than my knees, it's drier than the Mojave Desert, and today we're here to fix it. But first, we need some product. This is everything that you need to restore your trim to new. You're gonna need nonsense all-purpose cleaner, tire and trim gel, some microfiber towels, a microfiber applicator, and a boar's hair detailing brush. The key to perfect trim is all in the prep. So we're gonna start off by using nonsense all-purpose cleaner. We're gonna spray that directly onto the surface, and then we're gonna scrub it down with our boar's hair detailing brush. Once you're done scrubbing, simply grab your microfiber towel and wipe off the excess. Having a clean and prep surface is crucial to you restoring your trim, because if you apply it to a dirty surface, it's not going to last as long or look as good as you want it to. Now let's show you a good before and after. Now grab your bottle of tire trim gel and your microfiber applicator. Apply a couple drops, and now we work it in. Tire and trim gel is a thick oil-based dressing that's going to provide tons of nourishment for extremely faded plastic and rubber trim. To ensure a fully dry to the touch finish, what I like to do is I grab a dry microfiber towel and simply give it a quick wipe down. And check out that reveal. And this is how you want to be driving around, with beautiful and restored trim. As you guys saw, we showed you guys how to restore it with two products, nonsense all-purpose cleaner and tire and trim gel. If you guys want to pick yours up, make sure to check out our website, chemicalguys.com. Swing by your local detail garage store. As always, I hear you. My name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys. We'll see you next time.